Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Spotify unavailable in your country. Type us-proxy.org in browser search bar. Select and copy any free proxy IP address. Click Settings. Select HTTP. Paste already copied IP address. Click Update Proxy. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.